Ever seen a pink lake that's 100% real? Welcome to Lake Retba, also known as Senegal's Pink Lake. Its magical color isn't a camera filter, but the result of a super salty environment that allows a special bacteria called Dunaliella salina to thrive. This bacteria produces a red pigment, which, under the right sunlight, turns the entire lake into a shade of cotton candy pink. It's so salty, you can literally float like in the Dead Sea. Some locals even harvest salt straight from the lake bed by hand. Nature's got its own pastel palette. And Lake Retba is proof? Would you dip your toes in a pink lake? Let us know in the comments.